we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
Oh my gosh. It looks like a hot mess. We have been driving for like 4 hours? 4 hours? No. Yeah, about 4 hours. You see Odin? Oh, you can't see him. Oh. Odin! Odin! Jake's just gone into Aldi. Oh, he's calling me. Jake's just going to Aldi and get the boys some snacks because I accidentally forgot to bring them any snacks. Yeah, Dave's bringing you cookies, and then we're going to go down, have a pee break, and we are only an hour and a half to 2 hours away from a special surprise. Nan Nan and Arnie Loz are coming to meet us at about the 4 hours left mark to help me drive because it's a painful experience when you're pregnant and have sore muscles and bones and stuff trying to sit and drive, and I'm really tired. So they're coming to help and the boys don't know yet. It looks like absolutely wild today. Pardon? Yeah, maybe we can have a quick play. How are you guys going? You got sticky, yeah, because you had maple syrup on your pancakes from Macca's, huh?
Candy.
Oh, you had some lollies, you mean? You're not American. Lollies.
Lollies.
Well, Bob still protects the baby crocs, but they need to catch their own food.
You're telling Finn because he was asleep. Finn can't have any because he'll choke on them. There's Odin. Odin! Hello! Where's Benji? Benji! 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 Benji is in there somewhere. Oh, you can hear him back. There he is. Hello! Good job, Beanie. You gotta watch when you're driving. Wow, you're such a good driver, Bubba. I don't think so. Excuse me, sir. Watch me driving.
For 1,000 but it won't do us any good. Will you bet if you get the chance? No, I'm sure you would. When you're away, there's a hole in my heart. Feels like a deja vu.
Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to this vlog. I think this is a new vlog. I'm really not sure what we're up to. We can go over and see the chickens. No, we're not going to pat the chickens because we're not. We are at Grandma's farm today because Finny wanted to ride the motorbike, didn't he? I think probably in the last vlog you guys would have seen Finny riding a motorbike, and he's been talking about it ever since. So we're out here again. I think they're coming back. I actually don't know where they went. Up the dirt road, I think.
Look, that chicken sitting like that.
What? You like being at Grandma's farm? Grayson? Do you like being at Grandma's farm? Yeah. Come over, check the chickens out while Finny goes for a ride. And Grayson will go for a ride. And he's absolutely freezing cold today. But this is all Finny's been talking about, so we're out here. Oh, you're not cold? You got a beanie on and 2 jackets, jumper, and a long sleeve shirt. You're toasty and warm. Hi, chickens.
And the chickens are on that side.
What are the chickens doing? Hello, chickens.
Hello, chickens.
Oh, I think Finny's coming back. I can hear them coming back.
He's getting the chickens.
Hi, Bubby.
Eyes are so dry.
Hi, Bubby. Did you have fun?
Does he have a turn now?
Gracie, have a turn. Grayson, have a turn. Baba.
You want to jump off for 2 minutes?
Grace, you go for a quick ride and then you go home another turn? Yeah? You watch Daisy ride. Grace,
Come here to mummy. Come on.
come on, Grace.
Let's take this off so you can actually breathe.
We'll go slow or fast?
It's okay. It's okay, buddy.
Hold on here. Good look. You hold here. That's so cool.
Wow! Did you have so much fun, Bubby?
Oh, that's something on my head.
Is there?
I got nailed right in the eye with a bug.
Oh, yuck. Like it, Bubby?
Yeah.
Because you didn't think on the weekend that you were going to like it, so you didn't have a turn. But you like it now?
Yeah.
Show me. How happy are you? So happy?
Yeah.
I haven't been vlogging. Pardon?
Dump truck.
A big truck. Wow. I haven't been vlogging because we haven't been doing like anything. Just lots of phone calls and trying to organise jobs and stuff like that, but nothing vloggable, so I haven't seen my camera in, ew, slushy, a while. Yeah, it is.
He likes red. He's like this.
Good boy. So let's feed Harley a piece? You want to finish?
And then you stood there smiling at me as so many times before.
I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. It wasn't really full with anything. It was just a couple of days of footage that I had piled away. As I said in this vlog, I didn't really vlog. I haven't been vlogging much. I'm actually going to start next week. It's currently the 29th of July. I'm going to start vlogging, doing weekly vlogs next week, so there'll be more regular content from us. But this was just kind of footage that I had stored away and I wanted to put out because it's really cute memories. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you in our next one. Goodbye.